If you have been planning to start making money online but don't want to show your face or voice and you don't know where to start, then this will be perfect for you, and now is the perfect time to start. Follow along and start your faceless YouTube channel or TikTok account and earn real money. Short-form aesthetic and relaxing videos are viral now on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. They are very simple, yet they get thousands and millions of views, and no doubt, these creators are making real money. Today I will show you exactly how you can make these videos in under 5 minutes. The idea of these videos is to throw out a very catchy but simple question with a cinematic background, followed by a few choices of answers with high-quality images and relaxing background music. These kinds of videos are very engaging as they encourage the viewers to leave a comment where you can also interact with them. So in this video, you will learn where to get stock photos or videos for free, where you can find relaxing background music without copyright, how to combine everything together, and edit using a free video editing app, plus a bonus, so make sure to watch until the end of this video. First step, you need to think of a catchy but simple question that anyone would want to answer. This should be your first step so you know exactly what kind of photos or videos you're going to look for. In this video, we'll be using, if you know your boyfriend or girlfriend well, which would he or she pick for your next vacation? Since we are talking about a vacation destination for a couple, the place should be romantic, where they can enjoy themselves like on a tropical beach in another country. The next step is to find photos or videos for the choices of your viewers. In this video, we are looking for breathtaking tourist spots in the world. Since we are going to post it as a reel or a YouTube Shorts, we will only need a few photos from these places. In this video, I am only choosing 4 places with 2 different images for each, so that will be a total of 8. To get these photos, I am going to use Pinterest, which is a free app. There are some images on Pinterest that are free for download without copyright, but some may have restrictions. Don't worry, as I have a way to use these images for free without copyright. Just go to Pinterest.com, then sign up or log in, then search for what you're looking for. For our project, I am going to search for Bali, Maldives, Coron, and Santorini. To download the image from Pinterest, just click on the photo, then right-click, then save image. Next, to avoid copyright claims on the photos you've downloaded, we will edit them first. I will be using Canva, which is also a free app to apply a filter on each photo. Canva is a powerful tool for graphic designing, and it produces high-quality outputs. Just go to canva.com, sign up using your email, click on Create Design, and search for YouTube Shorts. We will need a short background video for the first part of the short, where your catchy question is going to be shown. On Canva, there are free stock photos and videos readily available for use, either for free or with a pro plan. Today, we'll just use the free ones, so we need a cinematic background video, and I chose this table set up on a beach with a sunset. Next, upload the images that you downloaded from Pinterest, then add them to the timeline below. To add a filter, just click on the image, then choose your filter. Do the same thing on all of the images. Once done, download each image individually. Just click on Share, then Download. For the first one, since it's a video, it should be MP4, then the rest should be PNG. The next step is to get your relaxing background music. For this one, we are going to use YouTube. There are a lot of options you can choose from, but I recommend you go for this channel, No Copyright Background Music. They have a lot of options available, and all you have to do to avoid the copyright is to credit the owner of the music, which is also stated on the description of their videos. So make sure to follow this. For our project, I chose Unfaced by Wallen. To download the music, just head over to the description and click on the link, then click download. Okay, we're down to the last part of the video that we're making, but stay tuned until the end for the bonus. Now we are going to combine everything into one video, and to do that, we are going to use CapCut, which is also free. I'll put the download link in the description below if you don't have CapCut yet. On CapCut, click on New Project, then import the short video and images that you downloaded from Canva. Then next is to import your background music. Now, the first thing you need to add to the timeline is your audio. The trick to these short videos is the correct timing of the drop of the music or the climax. For this particular music, it's right about here. Just place the timing bar on top of it. The goal is to start the video at least 4 seconds before the drop or the climax of the music where your question will be shown. Why 4 seconds? Because we want to make it dynamic and engaging, not boring. To know where to cut it, look at the timestamp. For this music, it's at 19 seconds and 14 milliseconds, so you have to cut it 4 seconds before that timestamp. To cut the music, drag the timing bar 4 seconds before the drop, then click split and delete the first part, then move the remaining part to the start of the timeline. Next, add the short video as the first part on the timeline, then adjust it to only last for 4 seconds before the drop of the music. Next is to add the images. For our images, we need to add them one at a time and set their duration to match the scene and the music. The drop starts at 4:04, so we will set each image to 1 second each, like 5:05, 6:05, 7:05, and so forth. Once done, split and delete the excess audio at the end of the last image. And for the final part of the editing, we need to add the captions. For the first part, this is where we are going to add the text for our question. To do that, just click on text on the top, then add it just above the first clip. Adjust it to match the duration of the first clip, then add the text. Choose your effects, then adjust the position and size. Then for the scenes or images options, we are going to add one text for every 2 images. Same process, just add the name of the destination, then apply the effects, font, and adjust the size. Having these texts or captions on the image will also avoid copyright claims as they fall under fair use. Make sure that each destination will cover the 2 same destinations by adjusting the duration. Once done, click Export, name the file, and it's now ready for upload. Now, the bonus part, as promised, I am giving you other topics or questions that you can use as your reference in making your next videos. Make sure to screenshot or pause this video and write them down. You can be creative in making other questions that you like out of these examples, so you can now start your own faceless YouTube channel, start earning real money. If you learned something today, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe so you can always be updated on new and simple ways to make money online. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you on my next video.